Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to find your total watch hours in YouTube Studio, both on the desktop as well as on the app. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know that here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Alright, now here we are, over here in my YouTube Studios, on my desktop. Now, the first thing you want to do, most people who are under 1,000 subscribers can quickly and easily find out how many watch hours they have by scrolling down to where it says monetization, and you can click on that, and ordinarily, if you're not monetized, it'll come up here with a lovely little icon telling you how far you have left on both watch hours as well as subscriber count. But because I'm now monetized, YouTube has obviously decided that I don't need to see that now. So they give me tips on how to further my monetization and allow me to be able to earn more money. So if I can't find it here, and I'd still like to know what my watch hours are and what they're actually doing, all we need to do is go back over here to analytics, click on that. Now over here you'll see where it says views, watch time, subscribers, as well as estimated earnings. Now I'm going to just click over here to where it says watch hours, click on that. Now over here on the right hand side you'll see where it says last 28 days. So all you need to do is click on that section just there, scroll down to where it says lifetime, and you click on that, and all of a sudden there you have it, 5,000 watch hours. And that is how you know how many watch hours you have coming up ready for you after you've been monetized. Alright, now let's go and have a quick look at what it's like on the app. Alright, now in this part of the video we're going to be having a look at trying to find your overall watch hours on a YouTube app. Now what we need to do is go over here to where you have kept your YouTube Studio, and I'm going to click on that. I'm assuming you already have it downloaded, so as to save a bit of time we're not going to go through all that. Now at the top left hand corner you'll see the hamburger icon. You click on that and you go down to analytics and you click on the bottom there. Now over here, as you scroll up, you'll see where it says watch time hours, that one right there. Well, I'm going to click on that, and up the top here where it says last 28 days, you click on that, and then it drops down, and what you need to do is click lifetime. And then all of a sudden you'll see I've got 4,989.2 watch hours, and that is the entire amount of watch hours I have on my entire channel. Alright guys, that's it for this particular video. If you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, and while you're at it, why not consider sharing and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of the video. Alright guys, thanks for watching and bye for now.